favourite bit has been looking at the clouds here in Mongolia, because they are just so majestic and on such a bigger scale than at home, and it really, being so open and free and out in the wilderness, it's been really special. Also the flowers are really beautiful. Just walking through those fields and fields of flowers, it really made me think about the cycle of life and how we have a stage of blooming, and then obviously here in the winter things die away again. And I'd recommend it to anyone, everyone. I just think it's been really special and wonderful. We've had a great group of people. We're all been really diverse, but we've fitted in well and had fun and laughs and maybe a few tears, but they've been good too. So yeah, and Erika's, you've really facilitated it all really beautifully, like making us all feel included, and when we've had our nighttime discussions, just bringing out, like always trying to draw out more from us. So that's been great as well.